What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing for beginners. By the end of this video, you get to know exactly what is affiliate marketing and can you make money with affiliate marketing? Not only that, I'm also going to show you the people who are making the most money in affiliate marketing, and I'm also going to show you their faces and how much money they make. So I'm going to take you by the hand and I'm going to show you whether or not affiliate marketing is right for you or not. I'm going to talk about the pros and cons and how does it really work. So you're going to know more than 99% of all the people about affiliate marketing because all the information right now are outdated on YouTube. Listen, this is absolutely free. There is no course for you to buy. I'm not going to sell you $1,000 course of how to do this or how to do that. This is absolutely free. Now, all I ask is a courtesy, which is very simple. Subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to share this video to support this channel. Here's what we need to know about affiliate marketing. Hello, Mark Daniels here, and as I promised, we're going to go ahead and talk about what is affiliate marketing. I created this video simply because a lot of the information that you see on YouTube is simply outdated. So what are we going to do? I'm going to show you some things that you need to know in case you are thinking or wondering about what is affiliate marketing. In addition, I'm going to show you some things that probably nobody knows about, or maybe they know, they just don't show you, and they try to sell you their own stuff. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just simply explain that to you. And I'm going to go ahead and break it to you very simple so anybody can understand it, even if you've never heard of the term, affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and get started. There are some things that you must know. There's a lot of reasons for that. It's because maybe you're interested in it or you want to get into affiliate marketing. But before you do that, you need some information. It's just like you have to do your own research. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just give you 5 important things. And as long as you understand these, you're going to know probably 99% more than other people that they think they know about affiliate marketing. Now, the first thing is we're going to go ahead and define what is affiliate marketing. Simply is selling other people's product online. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's physical, digital, it really does not matter at all. Now, let's go ahead and talk about that. There are 3 types of Mainly, there are 3 versions of that. Now, let's go ahead and just explore them. Now, the first one is what I call is the public. There are some networks, for example, if you created a course for let's say, for example, and you want to sell it online, but you don't want to deal with the management of it and delivery of it and the collecting the money and so forth, you would just hire something like Clickbank, for example. Clickbank is something very important, and I make it mandatory for all the people that I coach to go through Clickbank. Number 1 is that you can make money, and at the same time, you can start to get experiment without you getting banned and things like that, unless you do something bad. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to actually go to Clickbank. You go to Google, you just put Clickbank, you just go to home. Now, there is something here that some people make some mistakes. Now, in case you want to join to promote something, don't confuse it with sell. Just a little bit about Clickbank. Clickbank been around for 20 years. It's in 200 countries, and they have already paid $4.2 billion to their affiliates. So it's not like something that just popped up just a couple of years ago. This one is Clickbank is proven. Now, a lot of people make this mistake and they say, oh yeah, I want to sell, and they click here. No, this is not where you need to, if you want to promote a product, this is not where you need to actually click. This one here is for people that already have a product and they want to sell it on Clickbank. Now, what you want to do is click on promote. Okay, just make sure. A lot of people make a mistake and they click here and they kind of like wonder what's going on. And then you click on right here, you click on join Clickbank. And after that, you are presented with this dialog right here. Now make sure you fill it correctly and make sure you put the right email address, because this is what your email will be needed for you to verify that. So this is for Clickbank. Now the second thing is direct. Now what I mean by direct, there are obviously, if you go to Clickbank, they have hundreds of thousands of products that you can pick and choose from. So make sure you understand that. Now Walmart obviously is a Walmart. It's one store. What they do, and same thing with Target and many other companies, they all have affiliate marketers now and affiliate marketing programs. So what you do is you go to Walmart affiliate marketing, and then you get enrolled and you send people to them for certain products, for example, and then you get paid. Since I talked about Walmart affiliate program, you just go to Google in case you want to do that, and then you click on Walmart affiliate program. So you want to go ahead and type that in here, otherwise it'll be very difficult to get to it. So you click on that and then you are faced with affiliate program. Just click on the right one, like right here. And you are presented with this page right here. Now, I'm not telling you to go ahead and join Walmart affiliate program, but since I talked about it, I felt like I need to go ahead and just let you know how to join the affiliate program and where to go in case you want to do that. I do not like to do any affiliate work with any physical product. This is just me, but some people, they just love that. I don't know why, but they just like that. So what you do is you click on become a member. Now it's going to take you into this page right here, Walmart affiliate program. Here it tells you a little bit more about it, and it goes a little bit more in detail, and it tells you how much the payout for everything and how does it work. So you can fill this application, complete this application, and then send it out. You would provide some information here, all the information that you can put in, go ahead and put it in. They will do some evaluation quickly and they will let you know. So this is how to join that, but it doesn't matter if it's Walmart or Target, or it really doesn't matter. The one that I saw the biggest return is hardware stores like Home Depot and so forth. The reason for that, especially for overseas, if you want to promote something overseas, this is the best way to do it. I've done it before, it was very successful, but at the same time, I'd rather not do any type of physical products, but you can do that as well. There are some direct affiliate marketing companies that I don't like. You probably want to watch some of my other videos. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the description below. Make sure you do that because you don't want to waste your time and energy and money for something that is not going to give you a return on your investments. Now, you also have the private. Now, a lot of people don't know much about the private networks. Private networks, they do exist. It's like locked up. It's what I mean by that is like not anybody can just join in. You are there by invite. You're able to do that, and then they qualify you based on whoever sent you there. These are very lucrative areas right here, but this is not for beginners. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about how does it actually work. Now, you need to know very well, of course, how is it gonna work? Otherwise, you'll be confused. It's very simple. Let's say you have a product that you want to promote. It doesn't matter from Clickbank, Walmart, it doesn't matter. Now you promote it in your own way, either by your own website, maybe you do have a funnel, maybe you have some advertisement. It doesn't really matter how you get it. Now some people click on it. Obviously, they're going to give you some information about I'll talk about that here in just a little bit, so they can give you a link that is unique only to you, so they can track everything, also track all the people that buy, so they can pay you. After that, if somebody buys, it doesn't matter what it is, now you get paid. Now you get paid what? Percentage of the amount that is sold. That could be 20%, 50%, 80%. It depends on the company, depends on the product. So now you know how it works. I'm not gonna, well, let's go ahead and repeat it real quick. You pick something that you want to, and I do have a lot of things to go in detail, but the subject of this video is what is affiliate marketing. So I don't want to go into a deep dive about it because I do have some other important videos that go step by step, which I'm going to put in the description. But this is how it goes. You promote it, people find it, they click on it, they buy it, then you get paid because they are tracking everything. The affiliate marketing, if it was Clickbank, for example, is tracking everything. It tracks every clicks, and then when somebody buys, they send you that information. They send you the money, and they also give you information about how many clicks you got, how many people looked at your link. Now, can you make money in affiliate marketing? A lot of people wonder, is this a scam? Is this something that I can do? Is this something that is going to be there tomorrow? I can tell you yes and no at the same time. It depends mostly on you. Now I'm going to show you some proof here in just a little bit, so make sure you see that, and you know there's a big payout for that. A big payout for people who are really making it as a career. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and just share that with you. Now, these are some of the affiliates. I don't want to put, there's a lot of pages out there in here. My friend here, Pat, he makes 179. It says right here, he makes a lot more than that last time we looked at his stuff. So, but this is might be a little bit outdated. This is per month. John, for example, makes about $500,000 per month. He makes here about 200,000 per month. And some people make more. I know people make more than that, but we have to be careful. I'm not promising, this is a full disclosure. I'm not saying that you will make money. All I'm saying is some people want to know if there are some people making money. Who are they? Who is making the money? Who are these people? How they look like? What are their faces? How much money are they making? I just want to give you an idea right here so you can have a clear picture of, yes, you can make money as an affiliate marketer. All right. The other thing I want to talk about is simple. What can you sell? I've maybe touched on it before, but what you can sell, anything that is offered on the internet. It really doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter at all. Some people think that, oh, there are certain things they can sell or promote. Okay, you are promoting, you're not creating your own product. You're selling someone else's product, just like I said up there, you're selling other people's product. Anything that is offered, it really doesn't matter. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is how do you get paid? Because a lot of things are happening online and some people get confused or they might be concerned, and it's rightfully so, because everything is happening not face to face, it's happening online. How do you get paid? Well, what happens is that they do give you a link. Inside that link, when someone clicks on that, is designed to go and put in a cookie inside that person that clicked on your link. And when that happens, it goes into their hard drive, for example, and it lasts sometimes for 30 days, 20 days, 3 months. It depends on the company. So if they came back again, and that's what the beauty about it, if they came back again maybe a week after and they bought that thing without going through your link, you still get the credit. I just want to make that clear so you'll understand what I'm talking about. What happens is that you do have a unique link that you have and you would use it. That link is unique to you. So anything that happens through that link goes back into you. And this is what I'm talking about. The idea is, how do you get paid? There are three ways. Sometimes it depends on the company. They do send you a check in the mail, and then sometimes they do give you options of how you want to get paid. But most companies right now are going into bank deposit. They like that because they think it's more secure and it's more legitimate. And then some of them, they also do PayPal. Some companies, they do all three. They give you option of picking exactly which one that you want. You can pick exactly how you want to get paid. Most people like it depends on the person. I can't say that, but the majority, they like electronic transfer because it's much faster than a check, because the check could be lost. Now, I just want to let you know that this is just merely only about what is affiliate marketing. But if you're interested in that, you can go, and I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description area. Go through it. It's just like a course. This is like a course that you can buy for $2,000. It's all free. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it there, but it's free. Go ahead and just go through it. In case you do have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and ask that question, because I look at every single question and I answer it if it has not been answered by somebody else. So this is how affiliate marketing works. Now, if you want to know everything about affiliate marketing, watch this playlist right here. And if you want to know more about email affiliate marketing, watch this video right here. As usual, I'll see you at the top.